This is the Aarke Carbonator 3 that we purchased about 6 months ago, and we've been using it daily. Yeah, this is of course a soda maker, so-called soda maker. This one, like many others, this one like all others pretty much. Yeah, this thing gets me always. So you can remove this, of course bottle goes here, but we'll show that in a little bit. But this gets me always, I drop this thing. So this can be removed, so you can clean this if you drip some water here. But we actually never one drop drips here.
Yeah, we never cleaned it.
Yeah. So yeah, it takes the regular 60-liter CO2 cartridges for soda machines. This one is from Simply Soda, highly recommended, it's best price. So yeah, it's an easy screw-on type. So you slide it here and you twist it until it's tight, and that's it. The Aarke is a Swedish company. I don't know if you can, we'll zoom in so you can read it. It's a Swedish company. It's designed in Sweden, but it's made in China, like pretty much everything else. It feels very sturdy. It looks very nice. It's like a nice piece to have in the kitchen. This is the side view, how it looks from this side, and it's very elegant, simplistic design, but it's very nice. And it comes in many different colors and yeah, finishes. So this one is the stainless steel, of course, and you may wonder how tall it is. So it's about 16 inches and a quarter, 16 and a half. So this cabinet height here is about 20 inches. I guess that's standard. Yeah, it comes with this Aarke bottle. It's a PET bottle. They claim it's BPA free and all free of other harmful chemicals. The capacity of it is, I measured up to this line, the filling line is 875 milliliters, which is about 30 ounces. They claim it's around 800 milliliters. There is a smaller option that they sell. I believe it's 450 milliliters. So you have two options of bottles. And this bottle has expiration date. The reason for that is every time you fill it up, which we're gonna show in a little bit, it expands, you know, the pressure, it's high pressure, and eventually, you know, this material, like pretty much everything else, it fatigues and it needs to be replaced for safety reasons. And always, of course, inspect it. Even if the expiration date is still okay, you always inspect the bottle, make sure it's in good condition. So we filled it up to the fill-up line here, and this is how you put it on here. Twist it, get it somewhat tight, and then according to the manual and what other people do, they do it like this, like 2, 3, how to say, pushes here, like 1, 2, and add more. But what we found out really to be consistent, and every time you don't have to guess, it's what we do. You push this and hold it until you hear a different sound. We're gonna demonstrate it now. When you hear that release, and every time it's the consistent soda is being made, and then you untwist it. It's very fizzy. It's very, very tasty too. So we filled it up again with water. So we use either mountain spring water, it tastes good, or we also use filtered, reverse osmosis filtered water. And there's a difference when you just drink it with reverse osmosis filtered. It doesn't taste right, even though just plain drinking the reverse osmosis filtered water tastes pretty good, but somehow when it's sparkled like this, it's not so good. So what we do, you add a little bit of sea salt, Celtic sea salt, just a little bit, and tiny bit of baking soda. Yeah, you can put even more of each, but yeah, best you test. And then of course, once you add this, you shake it. And we attach it again. And just push this down and wait until the sound changes. And that's it. Simple as that. Like I said, we've been using it for 6 months daily like this, and it's been always perfect and reliable. So of course it does not need electricity or doesn't have battery, doesn't need to be charged, so you can put it wherever you want. It's really nice. And also another thing to keep in mind, it does not come with a gas cylinder, with a CO2 cartridge. You have to buy it separately. I think before they used to have it, it would come with it, but not any longer. And again, you can buy any other brand of cartridge. We mentioned a quite few pros of this machine, the good things about it. The cons my wife mentioned would be maybe it's tall, but I think that's for all soda machines. It's pretty tall, so she wishes she could put it sometimes inside the cabinet, but of course it doesn't fit anywhere unless you have maybe big cabinet. But I don't think that's really con for this machine. It's just in general for soda making machines. Other con that I don't think it's a con is that you're gonna hear people mentioning how these are expensive, but you get what you pay for. So you can go with cheaper options like SodaStream or Philips, but it's nowhere as nice and robustly built, and it looks really nice, like some industrial classic looking machine. What I didn't mention, it might not be obvious, it's mostly metal. I mean, everything outside here that you see this shiny is metal. There's where you screw it in, it's plastic here in this area, and of course here on the bottom, and it has rubberized feet here at the corner, so it doesn't move easily. So yeah, even this is metal, everything here metal. The bottle, of course, it's not glass. They do make Carbonator Pro version, which comes with a glass bottle, so you might look into that too. It's different. I think it's a larger machine, and the bottle, the glass bottle, when you refill it, it has a metal housing for safety. So that's something to look into if you're still concerned about using plastic beverage. I mean, your beverage in a plastic container, which they claim, again, it's toxin free and BPA free and all that. It's a PET bottle. And with like all other soda machines, you cannot use it to carbonate juices or stuff like that, because eventually it would lead to, might plug up the valves and cause the damage to the machine. Yeah, you can flavor your sparkling water later even with fruits. That's what we do. And Aarke also makes different flavors for flavoring the soda. We haven't tried it personally, but I know it's there. If you're looking to buy a premium quality soda machine, we highly recommend this one. Like I said, we've been using it now for half a year and it's been really good. I will put a link, Amazon link for this soda machine in the description below, and also I will put a link for the different soda flavors that they make. For any info that I didn't cover, probably we left something out, please feel free to ask questions in the comment section. Thank you very much.